Nigeria has in the last 6 years been soaked in an unprecedented wave of ethnic tensions and agitation across the country. For many, never has Nigeria been so divided along sharp fault lines of ethnicity and religion as it is today, since the end of the Civil War in 1970. Before now, Nigeria has had to contend with the threat of Biafra secessionist movement, who were kept largely quiet. But today, more ethnic nationality interest groups in the southwest, the Niger Delta region, and the Middle Belt are beginning to find their voices in relentless agitations for self-determination, thereby raising tension that the center can no longer hold.
It borders on the divisive nature of this administration. People are beginning to lose trust. Because I don't want to say that people have lost trust completely in the Buhari administration.
By the outgoing president.
Events of the last 6 years, especially with heightened insecurity, have increased the mutual ethnic mistrust and indeed tensions to a boiling and frightening level.
The recent spate of agitations, especially ethnic agitations, is because some nationalities believe that they have been excluded from national opportunities and national resources.
The competition for land resources have brought free-range herders from the north in constant bloodied clashes with their host local crop farmers in the Middle Belt and the southern regions. Like never before, Nigeria looks effectively divided along ethnic lines as the argument range over how the country should manage the situation.
These statistics you are seeing, just the leaders, political leaders, natural leaders of some of these communities are hands in glove, if you permit. They accept what their people are doing.
As it is, Nigeria can't reach a compromise on how to manage its cows for the benefit of all, as the country's politicians blow hot over whether to allow the cows roam freely or be ranched.
We shouldn't even be talking of farmer trash in this day and age. We should be talking about the best methods for managing cattle.
The vexed issue has divided even the Governors Forum. Recently, Southern governors met in Asaba Delta State capital and reached a decision to ban open grazing. It was their answer to the ceaseless attacks on villages in their domain by killer headsmen.
Consequently, the meeting resolved that open grazing of cattle be banned across southern Nigeria.
For me, they are sounding like broken records. You know, you're a journalist. You know what a broken record does? Eh? Keep repeating the same. Giga, giga, giga. I expect a little more from educated people with the responsibility of governance. Each of those governors is under oath for loyalty.
It is this failure, which many have left at the doorstep of President Muhammadu Buhari, they think is largely responsible for the latest wave of clamors, especially calls to exit the Nigerian entity.
There's a lot of hatred among the politicians. There's a lot of hatred in the society, whether it's Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Urobo, or Efik, or Ibibio. There's a lot of hatred in the society.
2 years to the end of the tenure of President Muhammadu Buhari, the calls for restructuring and true federalism have again rented the air.
Buhari has said it time and again, take it to National Assembly. If we do it, he will assent to the bill once it goes through the process. People say grammar, oh Lord, yeah, we, the people in Nigeria, we never wrote a constitution for ourselves. Okay, is it during Buhari that it happened? Was it during Buhari that it happened? Why is that it is now that everybody is saying, Buhari, Buhari?
With general elections fast approaching in 2023, the tensions and agitations are less likely to diminish amongst the various contending ethnic and political forces that have refused to see the need to pursue a common Nigerian agenda.